Hey everybody, open house orders finally came in. Everything just got here today, so I'm getting it all ready to be delivered. I'll be reaching out soon to bring your order, but I wanted to do a little video and share some of the cool things that we got for fall and some of the new stuff for winter. All right, let's talk about some of this awesome stuff we got for fall and winter. We have more of the fall bar selections that come in the little canvas bags, so there's more of those. I have more harvest collection flyers and fall and winter catalogs. Check this out. The Tampa Bay football warmer. This thing is awesome. I like it a lot. It's really super cool, and the detail and the flag is really good. I'll be doing a separate video of this to kind of show how it looks and the size of it. There's a little dish in the top with the team emblem. This is super cute, the little rodeo plug-in warmer. These are tiny little mini boots, and you put the bar of wax or the little cubes of wax in the top and melt, but it sits on a wall warmer. So it's got a light bulb that goes in the wall, and these tiny little boots plug into the wall. Next, somebody's little kiddo is gonna get a Miguel Scentsy buddy with the little scent pack. Familia comes first. We got some more cotton cleanups and stocked up on cleaning supplies for fall and winter. Even got some Scentsy swipes. So these are kind of like little wipes, right? Like the Clorox wipes come, but these don't have the harsh chemicals like the Clorox wipes do. And this one smells like Johnny Appleseed. So get a big roll of wipes. We got a whole bunch more fragrance flowers, and these ones are for fall and winter. So reach out to me if you need anything for fall and winter in the fragrance flower category, because we have some brand new fragrance flowers for fall and winter. And check this out. This is another wall plug. This is from the Harvest Collection, Pumpkin Acres. And I like this one because it's iridescent. So this is a wall plug-in, but look at that. It's got texture on it, like iridescent. It glows and is sparkly when it turns on. But there's all kinds of different flowers and pumpkins, and you can turn this one any which way you want, and this goes onto a wall warmer. And then check out this fun thing, the Haunted Spa. The Haunted Spa is super popular. So you put wax bars in the bathtub here with the ghost, right? And it's an element warmer, so no light bulb. Put red wax in there, it looks like he's bathing in blood. Put green wax in there, it looks like he's bathing in goo. It's super fun. The Haunted Spa is a huge hit this year. I even got some of the holiday collection canvas bags with the holiday wax. We got some holiday brochures. So if you're interested in seeing what's in the holiday brochure, let me know and I can get you some of these. Everything for the Christmas holiday season coming up in the brochure. We stocked up on fall and winter wax bars. There's some fun Halloween ones in there too, but definitely some goodies for winter. That leaves and lavender is super popular, so I stocked up on that for you guys. Same with the ginger cookie. And what was this one here? Making Me Snickerdoodle. That one was really popular too. Eucalyptus wreath, so there's some things for winter. And then also some pods for fall and winter. Arctic Kiss, Rum Plum Pum, that one is really, really good. So I'll be reaching out soon to deliver your orders, but we got some really cool things in this order, some stuff for fall and some sneak peeks for winter. So great job, you guys. You got some awesome buys.